I know what she said was wrong. It was disrespectful and she had absolutely no right. But her event in 3 days' time, when I invited her for the weekend getaway, she told me about it. I know we plan to fly back today, but would you just let her stay in the junior suite at least on the penthouse floor? She has no prior arrangements. That's all I'm asking. 3 days.
That is not my responsibility, Natalia. She made that very clear at dinner.
I'm not asking as her friend right now. I'm asking as your wife. I know what I'm asking for, and I know what it cost you. Please.
Marcus, restore only the junior suite access from now till Wednesday, not a day more. 3 days. After that, her name stays out of our house.
Natalia, I owe you a real apology. I've been thinking about what I said at dinner and I'm ashamed of myself. What I said about Bradley was cruel and completely out of line. You two have given me so much and I treated your husband unfairly. I'm truly, genuinely sorry. Hello, Lillian. Thank you for reaching out. What you said hurt and struck a nerve, not just Bradley's but mine too. He works hard every single day for the life we live, never asking for recognition or applause. I can't believe you would do such a thing to me by talking down on my husband. You're right. I was selfish and insecure and I took it out on both of you. That is not the kind of friend I want to be. I promise you it will not happen again. I hear you. Just so you know, I asked Bradley to restore your penthouse access for the 3 days because of your Georgia event. He didn't have to do it. I begged him to, because I care about you. Natalia, I don't even know what to say. You didn't have to do that. Truly, thank you. You're a true friend.
We're just memories. All I can do is bless your name.
Honestly, from what I heard, she doesn't actually work for any of it. The penthouse, the cars, the wardrobe, it's all the husband. Every last bit.
And she still walks around here like she built something. Even her friends live off the man. You can't make it up.
Must be nice. Marry well, smile the right way, and suddenly you're untouchable.
How was your...
She told them, Bradley, my co-workers? Personal things. Things about our home, our life, our finances. Things only someone inside this house could know.
What exactly did they say?
That I'm a kept woman. That everything I have is yours and I've done nothing to earn it. That I walk around like I built something when I built nothing. I couldn't enter the break room, Bradley. I couldn't bear listening to what harsh words Lillian had spread about me. And the worst part I can't stop thinking about is that I begged you for her sake. I defended her. I vouched for her. I asked you to be merciful, and you were, all because of me.
Natalia, look at me. I gave you my answer in that car. But you changed it, and I respected that choice because you are my wife and I trust your heart.
But now you're hurt from trusting the wrong person. You can't change what has happened, love. But you can certainly learn from it.
It's safe to say that I won't give another person such an access again.
The next time that door closes, it stays closed. No discussions. No second chances.
It's okay, love. You're okay. Sometimes the person you fight hardest for becomes the very lesson you needed most.